Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a CUBOT Note 50 and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So let's start with opening the app which will provide you with the keyboard. So for example, messages, notes, browser, whatever. Just have the keyboard on the screen like that. And here all we have to do is to enter the settings. So they are not visible here, but simply tap on this four dots icon and tap on settings. Let's enter the languages, and here we've got the list of currently applied languages. We've got only English, which resembles our system language. So let's tap on Add Keyboard, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. Of course, you can scroll or you can tap on the search bar and enter the name of the language. So all we have to do is to tap on the language we would like to apply, and as you can see, here we've got the keyboard types. Basically, the amount of keyboard types depends on the specific language. Sometimes you've got only one, and sometimes even up to 7 or 10 different keyboard layouts. So all you have to do is to mark the layout you'd like to apply and tap on Done. And here we've got our language applied. Before I'll show you how to remove the old language, I'd like to go back to the keyboard to show you how to use it with 2 or more languages added. Fortunately, right now in this updated version of the keyboard, we've got the hint of what to do in order to change the languages. So simply tap on this globe icon, thanks to which we can apply different layouts. And the second difference is the space bar. It's not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we are currently using. So now let me remove the language. Let's simply enter the settings and tap on the languages. And here in this section we have to tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner, mark the language we want to remove, and tap on the trash bin icon. And as you can see, we've got only English left. English or any other language of your choice. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.